This is a demonstration on how you integrate your content with GetResponse so that for every lead submission, the contact profile will be created in your GetResponse integration. So here an example of LeadQuizzes content. I have created this content which has a form fields which is have first name, last name, email address, and company. It also have a question which are mapped to the result 1 and 2 here. And then you have to go to the configure tab, native integration. You have to click add integration and then select get response here. But I already created one here. So you just have to select your list from the drop down and then map the required fields. So for this one, we have email address and name. I have map email address, first name and last name. And then I also map the company here. So for the tags, this is not required, but I map the result 1 and 2 for the results that we have here. So after that, you can take the content here. For an example, submit, and then I will be selecting result 1. And then here on the get response page, we'll be verifying if the contact was created. So the contact was created here, has the correct name, email, and then the tags was also correct, also the company name. So the update contact information is also working. So uh, we can use the same content, but we can also use a different content, but it should be connected to the same get response account. So for example here, I will be updating the name. I will also update the company here. I'll be selecting a different result, and then we just have to reload this page and see the changes. So it has the updated first name and last name, and then the updated company name. Also, the new tag was applied to the contact.